Alright, one quick issue here. See, this profile picture we are loading from the W3 schools avatars, right? So this should actually come from our database. Okay, so if you go to this here, this is now coming from the database. Of course, these both images are same, but it is not coming from our database. Okay, so we'll quickly fix that, because while we were making this image, we had no profile, right? So that's why we put a static link in this place. Okay, so let's change that. I'll go to this dashboard, accounts dashboard, and now this is you can see we have set this W3 schools this link, right? So I'll remove this, and in place of this I'll say user profile dot profile underscore picture dot URL. Okay, so if you access like this, it will not give you the profile picture. Okay, it will just give you the error, because we are not sending this profile picture. Okay, so this profile picture we have to send it from the account and views. Okay, so if you see, we have a dashboard here, right? So here what we'll do, we'll say profile, okay, user profile is equal to user profile dot objects dot get user ID is equal to request dot user dot ID. Okay, so now we got the user profile. So now what we can do, we can just say pass this user profile inside this context. Now if you refresh, now you can see the same image, but this is loading from the database. Okay, so that's all guys. So now if you want to change this image, we'll change this to this and save, and this image has been changed, and here also this image has been changed. Okay, so that's how it is. All right, thank you.